How to delete credit card from PlayStation. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can delete your credit card from your PlayStation. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. It's easy to remove your credit card from your PS4 if you no longer want to store information to make purchases, and here's how you can do it. Now, using the controller, select settings on your PlayStation 4 and then just go to the option called account management. You can manage your PS4's credit card info in the settings menu under account management. So just select account management and then choose account information, and here you have to select wallet, and then you have to select the option called payment methods. The wallet holds your credit cards and PayPal information. If you already have a payment method on your PS4, you'll need to enter your password. Otherwise, you can proceed directly to selecting the type of payment method you want to use, such as add a credit or debit card, or add a PayPal account and follow the instructions to enter the payment details. Or if you want to delete it, you have to do so from right on this specific page over here. And if you'd like to also edit it or remove it, again just choose the similar payment method that you want to remove it over here, and I'll ask you for a confirmation. From the bottom you can find the option called delete, or if you want to set this as default, you can do that respectively as well. And that's how you can delete credit card from PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.